Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the next subtopic of a given unit called as the aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Today we started here the chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Yesterday finished the what here? The reactivity of aldehyde and ketone. But today we discuss here the what is the chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. So you know the chemically the aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. You know it depend upon two factor. First called as the electronic effect, it is called as the inductive effect, and second called steric effect और hindrance, जो मैंने आपको कल पढ़ाया था. अभी देखिए क्वेश्चन क्या है, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ aldehyde and ketones. It means in chemically which react fastly, so aldehyde is react fastly than ketones. So first point, especially the chemical reaction or chemical properties of only the aldehyde and ketone, that is called as the laboratory test for ketones and aldehyde. In the lab, how to identify the given compound contain aldehyde and ketone. It is called as the laboratory test for aldehyde and ketone. With the help of any compound, unknown compound, how to know the given compound contain aldehyde. यानी एक आधा एक्सपेरिमेंट अगर होगा आपका लैब में तो उसमें आपको कंपाउंड अननोन दिया जाएगा और आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि दिस कंपाउंड कंटेन aldehyde and ketone. So depend upon the what here, the chemical reaction. So in this we take the first here, first a test given only by the aldehyde. It means in this concept we tell us that the aldehyde, only the aldehyde are identified in the given experiment जो आपको दिखाई दे रही है. ठीक है, यहाँ आपको पता है बेटा कि aldehyde is more reactive than ketones. So aldehyde easily oxidize with the help of oxidizing agent, but here ketone it does not contain a hydrogen, it contain a 2R group called as alkyl group or electron donating group. It does not oxidize easily. So it means aldehyde more react toward the oxidizing agent, whereas ketone is less reactive toward the what here, the oxidizing agent. That's why we started the first a test given only by aldehyde, not a ketones. It means 3 reaction given by the aldehyde or only 1 reaction given by ketone. We take the next. Before that we take the what here, the first test given only by the aldehyde. So in the given test we distinguish or identify the given chemical reaction shows the compound contain a what here, aldehyde. First test given only by the aldehyde. So point number first, the Chief's reagent, it is the one types of the chemical. So the chemical name called what here, Chief's reagent or Chief's test. With the help of this Chief reagent we identify the given compound containing a aldehyde. That's why it is called what here, Chief's test. What here, this indicate S is silent, Chief's test. Okay, now how the chemical reaction take place or how to identify the with the help of the Chief reagent what here, the aldehyde. So when any unknown compound means aldehyde, clear. So when aldehyde is react with alcohol, it means the aldehyde react with the alcoholic solution. It means it is called as the what here, it is alcoholic solution of aldehyde is added or react with a Chief reagent. It is called as the what is Chief reagent? It is a chemical. Which chemical are used Chief reagent? So para rose aniline hydrochloride is a one types of a chemical. It is called as the Chief reagent. What here? Para rose aniline what here, the hydrochloride. So when the alcoholic solution of aldehyde on added in the Chief reagent or this Chief reagent are added in the alcoholic solution of aldehyde, now this compound give the pink, red or magenta color. This compound what we get, pink, red, magenta color. This on the basis of this color indicate that the given compound containing the aldehyde group, it is called as the Chief test. यानी ये केमिकल आपको इसमें ऐड करना है बेटा Chief reagent को सॉल्यूशन अल्कोहलिक सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एल्डिहाइड में और बाद में रिएक्शन करनी है. तो केमिकल रिएक्शन करने के बाद अगर रिएक्शन में बेटा पिंक कलर आ रहा है, रेड कलर आ रहा है और यह मैग्नेटाइट कलर आ रहा है, इसका मतलब रिएक्शन में एल्डिहाइड प्रेजेंस है. सो इट इज टेस्ट फॉर द व्हाट, द आइडेंटिफिकेशन और डिस्टिंग्विश द एल्डिहाइड. तो ये आपको रिएक्शन याद रखनी है. उसकी theory क्या लिखी है आप? When the alcoholic solution of aldehyde when added in the chief reagent or it is called as para-roso-aniline hydrochloride, it form the which color? Pink, red or the magnetite color. This indicate the compound contain what here? Aldehyde. Now second here, now question is asked in examination. What here question asks? Question asked in examination. What here? Define the or explain the what here? Write down test for the chief reagent or what is the action of chief reagent on the aldehyde. तो ये आपको लिखने हैं. Clear? और explain the any two test for the identification of the aldehyde. तो कोई तीन में से कोई दो या जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछेगा आपको वैसा आपको उसका आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा. सेकंड है टॉलेंस रिएजेंट, टॉलेंस टेस्ट और सिल्वर मिरर टेस्ट. इसका नेम है. These are one types of chemical reactions. It is called what here? Tollens test called is the with the help of Tollens reagent. Is a one types of chemical. Tollens test or Tollens reagent, or with the help of Tollens reagent we identify the compound contain a silver mirror test. यानी after the chemical reaction the aldehyde is formed, but aldehyde which on the test tube of the aldehyde containing the which mirror, which color? Silver mirror color. वो मैं आपको बता दूँ कैसे रिएक्शन है बेटा. यहाँ पे देखो. तो पॉइंट क्या है? टू टॉलेंस टेस्ट और सिल्वर मिरर टेस्ट. नाउ हाउ द रिएक्शंस टेक प्लेस? सो व्हेन द अल्डिहाइड इज रिएक्ट विथ हियर टॉलेंस रिएजेंट. व्हाट इज टॉलेंस रिएजेंट? सो द मिक्सचर ऑफ अमोनियम, सिल्वर अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, सिल्वर Ag silver NH3 called ammonium, silver ammonium HO called the hydroxide called as a tollens reagent. So when aldehyde is react with the silver ammonium hydroxide or tollens reagent, it form the carboxylate, and this RCO called as carboxylate, and this Ag is called as what here? This symbol indicate what here? Insoluble. Insoluble called as what here? PP. PPT called what here? PPT called as precipitate. Ag means silver precipitate. What we get? This Ag indicate what here? So this Ag indicate what here beta? Silver PPT. PPT called as precipitate and loss of ammonia gas and water molecule. So this reaction indicate that when the aldehyde added in the tollens reagent, it form the carboxylate, and this carboxylate also contain a silver mirror. It means the यानी कहने का मतलब जो रिएक्शन की बेटा, फॉर एग्जांपल टेस्ट ट्यूब लेंगे हम लोग और टेस्ट ट्यूब में क्या ऐड करेंगे? In a test tube we added a what here? Aldehyde, and second what here? Tollens reagent. अब दोनों को चेकआउट करेंगे थोड़ा सा. उसके बाद क्या होगा बेटा कि रिएक्शन में जो है तो पीपीटी कॉल्ड एज प्रेसिपिटेट बनेगा सिल्वर का, और उसके ऊपर रिंग कौन सी आएगी? दिस टेस्ट ट्यूब कंटेन रिंग कलर इज व्हाट हियर? सिल्वर मिरर. So this on the basis of silver mirror ring, it indicate the compound containing aldehyde group. So with the help of Tollens reagent we reduce, means added oxygen or oxidize the aldehyde. So what we get? We get a carboxylate and silver. So all these two chemical reaction indicate the aldehyde are identified by adding these two types of reagent. Clear? Okay. Or it is this aldehyde are easily oxidized, means addition of oxygen with the help of this also these two atom these two tests also act as what here? Oxidizing agent. Clear? यहाँ पे देखो एक O था, यहाँ पे दो ऑक्सीजन हो गए, means addition of oxygen. This reaction take place with the help of oxidizing agent. So the Tollens reagent also act as oxidizing agent. It means the aldehyde are easily oxidized, okay, with the help of this test, but ketone does not oxidize because the ketone does not contain hydrogen. Okay. Next here third, filling solutions. What here? The filling solutions. So the filling solution also two types. Filling solution are two types. First A, filling solution A and filling solution B. What is filling solution A? ये क्वेश्चन में आ सकता है CET में. What is filling solution? The filling solution A is obtained or prepared by copper sulfate in concentrated H2SO4 सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. यानी H2SO4 लेके उसमें अगर कॉपर सल्फेट डालेंगे तो क्या बनेगा बेटा? दिस कंपाउंड इज फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट हियर? द फिलिंग सॉल्यूशन ए. व्हाट इज फिलिंग सॉल्यूशन बी? दिस फिलिंग सॉल्यूशन बी इज प्रिपेयर्ड व्हेन सोडियम पोटेशियम टार्ट्रेट इन अ KOH. KOH called as potassium hydroxide. So it is called as the preparation of what here? Filling solution A, filling solution B. Here we did the question what here third filling solution. It is also the laboratory test for the identification of aldehyde or oxidize the aldehyde. So the filling solution means when aldehyde is react with filling solution at warm H2, यानी क्या करेंगे हम लोग बेटा, यहाँ पे aldehyde लेंगे, फिलिंग सोल्यूशन लेंगे, इसमें हॉट वाटर ऐड करेंगे, वार्म H2, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा, कॉपर ऑक्साइड मिलेगा और कार्बो ऑक्सीडेट मिलेगा. दिस रिएक्शन इंडिकेट व्हाट हियर द कंपाउंड आल्सो कंटेन व्हाट हियर aldehyde. व्हाट कंटेन हियर aldehyde और aldehyde आर इजीली ऑक्सीडाइज इनटू कार्बो ऑक्सीलेट. ठीक है. सो इन दिस वे we take the reactions what here test given by only by aldehyde. So aldehyde are reduced or sorry oxidized by the chief reagent. Clear? It form the what here pink color of the what here the compound. Clear? It's also form the what here oxalate, pink color of oxalate RCOO. It means all the atom of the aldehyde which contain oxygen is increases by that this reagent. It is both three chief reagent, Tollens reagent and filling solution are act as oxidizing agent. It means it added oxygen in the given compound or identification of the given compound contain aldehyde with the help of these three reagent. ठीक है बेटा. तो इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है. टॉलेंस रिएजेंट, चीफ रिएजेंट और फिलिंग सोल्यूशन एग्जाम में आते हैं, आपको अच्छे से याद रखने हैं. थ्योरी थी लेकिन मैंने आपको रिएक्शन फॉर्म में समझाया इसको. ठीक है, क्लियर है. क्वेश्चन ऐसा आएगा आपको और why the hydrocarbon, ether, ketone and alcohol do not oxidize by Tollens reagent? Why the simple hydrocarbon, what here ketone, then ether or alcohol does not oxidize by the Tollens reagent? So answer is this, what here the only the what here aldehyde are oxidized by the Tollens reagent, does not oxidize the hydrocarbon or ether or what here the ketones. Clear? ये याद रखना है. Okay. Next here, what next here? Why the filling solution does not oxidize the benzaldehyde but only oxidize the aldehyde? So answer is that why the filling solution only oxidize or give the reaction with aldehyde, does not give the reaction with benzaldehyde or does not oxidize to benzaldehyde? What is reason that? Reason is that the benzaldehyde contain a what here the benzene group. Formula क्या है बेटा इसका? Benzene attached to CHO. It is called what here benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde group contain a benzene. This benzene group are act as what here? So these benzene group are act as electron what here withdrawing group, or sorry, these benzene group are act as what electron withdrawing group. So this atom electron, this benzene are attract electron toward itself and this CO group also attract electron toward itself. That's why this atom is become a neutral. So incoming nucleophile does not attach to the this carbon. That's why the benzaldehyde does not react with what here that which reagent filling solutions. ठीक है, फिलिंग सोल्यूशन से बेंजाल्डेहाइड क्यों रिएक्ट नहीं होता है बेटा? व्हाई द aldehyde oxidized by the filling solution but does not what here the benzaldehyde? Reason is that the benzaldehyde contain one CO group. This CO group called carbonyl carbon and second is called as what here benzene. Benzene here act as what here electron donating group. So benzene CO group are CO means oxygen are electronegative and ring is electropositive. So these two atoms are attract to each other toward the electron and carbon will be a neutral. Incoming oxygen or what here reagent does not attach to the carbon. That's why it is a does not oxidize the benzaldehyde, only the oxidize what here the aldehyde. ठीक है, क्योंकि aldehyde में R group बेटा, R group is called what here electron donating group है. ये बेंजीन क्या है, यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप होने की वजह से क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लेगा तो कार्बन में चार्ज पॉजिटिव आ जाएगा, तो इनकमिंग जो ग्रुप आने वाला उस पर अटैक नहीं करेगा. इसीलिए इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप कौन सा है, ये आर वाला है. इलेक्ट्रॉन कौन सा ग्रुप, विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है, लेने वाला है. ठीक है, इस तरीके से रिएक्शंस कैरी ऑन होती है. ओके, तो ये क्वेश्चन आपको याद रखना है. ठीक है, विच aldehyde are oxidized by the which types of. So all these three is easily oxidize aldehyde, but ketone does not oxidize by this three compound because the ketone contain a hydrogen atom, does not contain a hydrogen atom, but it contain a hydrogen atom. ओके, ठीक है, इस तरीके से आपको अच्छे से नोट्स प्रिपेयर करनी है. और कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो बताना है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.